TLC. So in this video I'm going to be doing mini box braids, mini goddess box braids. So that look where they have the small braids with the like very thin pieces of loose curly hair sticking out the braids. I'm gonna be doing that. Only I'm gonna be doing it with my natural hair. Well, it's gonna be like a hybrid. It's gonna be my natural hair and some extension. Well, I don't want to call it extension because it's not gonna be my hair longer. It's just gonna be like an illusion that it's my hair, only because I don't like the idea of leaving my real hair out of braids. I just feel like it's like defeats the purpose of a protective style if I'm gonna have pieces of my own hair sticking out of a braid. So I'm gonna be braiding my own hair, my real hair, and then inserting fake pieces of curly hair that matches my hair texture as the hair, as the goddess part of the mini braids look. So right now I have my hair in sections. I have washed, detangled, deep conditioned, detangled, moisturized, and sealed my hair. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I'll be doing. All right, so this is an extension piece that I'll be using. This is about my hair texture, and I cut off a small piece, and I'll be using this as my braid. So here's my little section. These are how I'm breaking up my sections. So I'm gonna take this section and insert it right as I would like a feed-in. So like just inserting it. This is a fake hair, and these are my real hair pieces, and just inserting it. And you're gonna braid down like you would. It's as if it's your own hair. And then when you braid down a little bit, you'll take the hair that's not yours. Try to take the hair that's not yours. This is not mine. And then start braiding again without it. Hold up, make sure you don't wanna, here. When you're done, you're gonna just curl the ends of your own hair. So, all right, so now you have these pieces sticking out. You want them kind of be like stop where your hair stops. So you want it to stop where your hair stops. So it's longer than where my hair stops. So I'm gonna just take some scissors and like put my finger where I want it to stop, and like kind of just like cut it. So make sure it's not your real hair, okay? Because it's so close to my texture, I really gotta be careful. That's not my real hair. I can tell the difference because this hair is dry and my hair is wet. Oh, and then I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel, and I'm gonna just like crispify it with Eco Styler gel. So I'm gonna do this on all the braids, and at the end it's gonna look really nice. So yeah, so now it looks like that. So it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna look nice later. I think this is like a form of tree. Is this like used to be called tree braids? I think so. I'm not sure, but whatever. They're called goddess braids now. And that's how I'm gonna do that all over my head. Oh, the products that I used for my hair is I used Miele Organics Twisting Souffle, moisturizer, and I used my Hair by Pierre Butter Oil Mix on my hair to seal, and those are the products I used. So yeah, let's just move on. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. They're in the closet. restyle this. Like, I hope these stay nice. Yeah, it just looks like bohemian and water wave-ish. It's kind of nice. It's like a short water wave bohemian look because my hair shrinks and stuff compared to like extensions that give you that length. Just looks more natural. It is natural. So yeah, so now I'm gonna move on to the back, and I'll be back when I'm further up in my hair. Probably, especially if experience. And you have like a yeah, and you have like a connect or whatever, like a reference.
Yeah. I was thinking about that.
All right guys, so I'm almost done. I just have this section and then like the crown part it. And you want to make sure you use a metal tooth like parting comb, because that's what's gonna get your parts like extremely straight. In the front, I try to keep it thin because I don't want it to look unrealistic. So it's like, I think this piece might be a little too thick. I feel like this piece. Done. So this is what it's looking like. It looks really good. I really like it. Very bohemian. Looks so cute. Alright, well I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna try to keep this in probably for like either between 10 days and 2 weeks. 10 to 14 days, something like that. That should last me a while. I've been really busy with school, so I'm hoping that it lasts me a good amount of days. And it's cute. And hopefully like these pieces don't get frizzy, because that'll be annoying. And if it does, hopefully it's like a cute frizzy, like a cute bohemian frizzy. So, but I like it the way it is, nice and like, you know, like defined. So I think I'm gonna get a lot of compliments on it and stuff. So it's really cute. I'll probably just like tuck it behind my ear. Like when I go to work, I'll probably like, I don't know, do something like this, just, you know, tuck it and then like let like a piece of the curls hang or something. Let me see. I did it a little bit earlier and it looked cute. Hold on. Let me see. I don't know, like let it do whatever happens naturally, I guess. I tuck it and a curl hangs, it'll hang, you know. But I think I could just wear it tucked behind my ear, like that, and that's cute. It's out my face, I can work and everything. Or I could wear it in my face, which I think is cute too. So either one. At work, I'll probably tuck it. Hopefully I don't like finger cord, you know, I like to like touch my hair a lot. Hopefully I don't do too much of that because I don't want to frizz it up. I do want it to last. So this is really cute. I really like this look. I've been actually trying to think of like a bachelorette party hairdo, because I'm thinking about going on a like trip with my girls or something like that for like my bachelorette party. And I'm like, how should I wear my hair? Like I want to look cute, but I also want to protect my hair. And I was thinking about wearing a wash and go. I'm like, I really want to wear a wash and go on vacation. So I'm like, I really want a cute hairdo because, you know, it's my bachelorette party and it look cute. But I also need to be vacation ready. So I might do something like this, because this is like cute, and it's not, these curls aren't my real hair. So it's like, I don't have to worry about damaging my real hair because it's all loose and stuff out and about in the sun, in the beach, and the sweat and all that. My hair will be protected, at least for, you know, the duration of the trip. So we'll see. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.